Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. First, you'll need to create an account using your email address. After that, verify your identity by providing the necessary documents, which is a standard security measure. Finally, link a payment method, such as a bank account or debit card, to your new Coinbase account. This setup process is quick and ensures a secure trading environment. Once your account is set up, it's time to add funds. Navigate to the funding section and select your preferred linked payment method. Enter the amount of money you want to deposit into your Coinbase wallet. Review all the transaction details carefully before confirming. Funds typically become available quickly, allowing you to proceed with your purchase without delay. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Go to the Buy/Sell section within the Coinbase platform. From the list of available cryptocurrencies, select Bitcoin. Then, enter the specific amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase, either in a dollar amount or a quantity of Bitcoin. Coinbase will show you the current price and any associated fees. Before finalizing, always review your order details one last time, including the amount and the total cost. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin will be processed and appear in your Coinbase wallet shortly. For enhanced security, make sure to enable two-factor authentication on your account. This adds an extra layer of protection for your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.